Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Introduction of C. Sound C is the third letter of the alphabet. It makes the C sound, just like in cat. Open your mouth slightly and say C with a soft puff of air. Word recognition. C for cap, a headwear with a brim. C for car, a vehicle that moves fast. C for cow, a farm animal that gives us milk. C for camel, a desert animal with a hump. Can you think of more words that start with C? Writing practice. Let's trace and write C and C. Follow the dotted lines carefully and practice both uppercase C and lowercase c. Activity. Beginning sound recognition. Look at the pictures below and write the first letter. Chair. Write C. Cake. Write C. Computer. Write C. Cat. Write C. Great job. You're learning fast. More vocabulary. Here are some more words that begin with C. Chair. A seat with a backrest. Cake. A sweet dessert. Computer. A device for work and fun. Cat. A soft, furry pet. Camera. A device to take pictures. Candle. A wax stick that gives light. Wow! You did an amazing job learning about the letter C. Keep practicing, and soon you'll know all the letters. Next time, we'll explore another exciting letter. See you soon.